guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tess Waltenburg if you don't know me yet, and on this channel I share a lot of sustainable, zero waste, slow fashion inspiration and also some of my daily life. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own natural floral bath salt. Come along. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I really hope you'll enjoy your bath salt. This is actually a really nice gift too, if you want to give something to your friend that has a bathtub that will actually be appreciated. As you know, I really like to give edible gifts and other gifts that are actually coming to good use. So please stick around if you like this video, give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel or do both. And I hope you'll have a great day. Bye!